CBS 3 Duluth WeatherMax forecast with meteorologist Dave Anderson.
Let's start with the current conditions, and it's 75 degrees right now at the airport in Duluth. About 75 to 77 is the normal, so right in the ballpark again. Relative humidity 50%, southeast wind running 6 miles per hour, air pressure on the high side at 30.06 inches of mercury, 1,018 millibars. Likely will stay on the high side through Friday, so Friday will be just like today, sunny for the most part. Saturday's the day of change where we could get our next rain chance, but that won't stick around too long and probably won't leave too much in its wake. I'll talk about rain totals here in just a little bit, but now we're going to move over to the current conditions temperature-wise for the rest of the region. And first we cast our eye upon the Upper Peninsula. We're at 73 both in Watersmeet and in the Ironwood area. And it's also then 77 for much of inland Wisconsin. Ashland, Hayward, Solon Springs, and Superior are all there. Will things be as uniform in Minnesota? No, there's a little bit of change. 79 right now in Moose Lake, 73 Silver Bay, 77 in Ely, and 78 from Hibbing towards Grand Rapids. 80 degrees for the folks in International Falls. Low pressure systems pushing towards us. Won't be here tomorrow, but it will be here on Saturday, and in between, it's leading with its warm front. So tomorrow's temperatures will go up. Instead of about 75 to 80 like we're seeing today, we're going to see 80 to 85 inland and slightly cooler by the lake. Doppler map right now, it's pretty bare from the Twin Cities up towards the Twin Ports, International Falls, Rhineland, or even to Marquette if you push it that far into the UP, or Fargo if you go that far to the west. High pressure has us. Not too many clouds in the sky. A few, though, as we saw in that picture of Cass Lake. Odds are we'll stay on the lower cloud side here through tomorrow because of the persistence of the second of two high pressure systems. But the change will come pretty early on Saturday, perhaps around 1 o'clock in the morning. That low pressure system comes in to bring us a 60% chance of rain. Saturday's rain chance might yield a 1/4 inch of precipitation. Then already by Sunday, it becomes dry again as high pressure settles back in. And then the next go around with drier conditions won't be as warm. I think temperatures are going to tumble to cooler than normal for at least a week or so. So we had a month worth of warmer than normal. Now we get a week of cooler than normal. Some folks would say that's not a fair trade-off, but yeah, well, that's the way it rolls once in a while. And now let's roll into the forecast tonight for Minnesota. The low temps will be in the 50s with a clear to partly cloudy sky and a southeasterly wind. Wisconsin and Michigan low temps will be roughly the mid-50s, partly cloudy sky there as well. Only difference perhaps, northeasterly wind there 5 to 10. For tomorrow, Wisconsin, Michigan, another day of a mostly sunny sky, light and variable wind, high temp 79 to 83. Into Minnesota, the inland numbers should go about 80 to 83, maybe even 84 towards International Falls, 70s by the lake, light and variable wind, mostly sunny sky. That all changes on Saturday when the rain chance comes around. It'll be partly sunny to mostly cloudy, 60% chance for showers and thunderstorms, maybe a 1/4 inch worth of rain, high temp 76. Not thinking it's going to be severe this time around, but if it changes, of course, we'll let you know as soon as we can. And then the cooler high pressure settles in on Sunday. High drops to 70. Some models indicate only the 60s, but I'm an optimist. I'm going to say 70.
After the month or so that we've had 70, you might have to break out a parka or something.
I know. I'm going to have to wear a couple layers on the bike when I'm out cruising.
Thanks, Dave. Wisconsin's largest university